Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a sweetheart neck. So first you make a line on the interfacing. Mark 3 inches. The interfacing is folded in half, so this will be the half of the neck. Mark the length of the neck in an angle. Now make a box. Now make a marking halfway and make a curve up to that marking. Then do another curve and go 1 inch below the line. Now do 1 inch marking all the way round. This will be for the seam allowance. Join all the markings and then cut round. Now iron the interfacing onto the material. Once ironed, cut round, leaving about ½ inch. Sew the edges all the way round. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now put a cut in the center. And we're going to do the same on the shirt fabric. Align it and then make a stitch down the middle. This will help keep the neck interfacing in place. Now sew all the way around the shape of the neck. Make sure that you don't sew on top of the interfacing. Sew on the edge of the interfacing onto fabric. Now we can cut around the interior of the fabric and leaving about ½ inch. Make little snippet marks all around the material so that when you turn it over, it will sit properly. After you've turned it over, iron it to flatten it to give it a neat finish. Your sweetheart neck is ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share with any friends and family. Thank you.